Experiencing connectivity issues after using a VPN? It might seem like your SIM card is damaged, but that's rarely the case. VPNs, virtual private networks, are software that encrypts your internet traffic. SIM cards are hardware that authenticate your device on cellular networks. The issue is that VPNs can sometimes conflict with your phone's network settings, leading to a loss of signal or inability to connect. This isn't a physical SIM card failure, but rather a software-related conflict. We'll help you troubleshoot without replacing your SIM. Let's get your connection back. First, power cycle your device by turning it off, removing the SIM card if possible, waiting 30 seconds, reinserting it, and restarting. Next, temporarily disable your VPN and toggle airplane mode on and off. Check your APN settings by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Ensure the correct carrier APN is selected and reset to default if necessary. You can also reset network settings. Note that this will erase Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, ensure your device OS, VPN app, and carrier firmware are up to date. If problems persist, contact your carrier to run a SIM status check. But remember, physical SIM replacement is rarely needed.